Every home deserves a roof built with quality, safety, and experience. At Sunrise Exterior, we've proudly protected homes for over 25 years. Our experienced crews arrive fully equipped, following strict safety standards with OSHA 30-hour safety certification supervision on every project. From safety harnesses and helmets to proper protective gear, every job is completed with safety as our top priority. Before the work begins, we carefully protect your property using heavy-duty tarps and maintain a clean, organized job site with the right equipment from start to finish. We use premium roofing materials professionally delivered and carefully lifted to the roof for an efficient installation. As an Owens Corning preferred contractor, we install asphalt shingles according to the highest industry standards. Every shingle is installed with precision, ensuring your home meets today's building codes while providing long-lasting protection against weather, leaks, and damaging ice dams through a complete roofing and waterproofing system. No matter the size of your home, our skilled team is committed to delivering craftsmanship you can trust. Sunrise Exterior, protecting homes, building confidence. Call us today at 877-48-26261.